Do you ever get the urge to just drive? To relieve that stress buildup from the week? Or maybe it's just purely for fun. When I had the chance to get a car, I could have gone with a regular four-door front-wheel drive sedan. And I'm so glad that I did. So whether it's that 9,000 RPM redline, the way you can see your front fenders to plant a corner, or the feel of that 50-50 weight distribution around a tight turn, there are so many great aspects of a Mazda RX-8 that makes the driving experience so irresistible.